girl Samantha here. If you haven't already been here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Here to make you guys simple, easy treats. With my wrinkly shirt here. So today we are going to be making s'mores cookies. Now this reminds me of a campfire, so it's just perfect for summer, right? Basic chocolate chip cookie, we're gonna add our chocolate chips, and then we're gonna add our s'mores. On top of that, we're gonna add a graham cracker cookie, and that's gonna melt kind of into it. It's gonna be this delightful, yummy cookie that's just gonna, marshmallows are gonna melt out. It's gonna be beautiful, and kids are gonna enjoy it. You can make it with the kids. That's how easy it is to make. As usual, I'm gonna write the ingredients underneath here, and you can follow along. I've got melted butter. Inside here we got brown sugar, granulated sugar, and a good old wooden spoon like your grandma used to use. Just a perfect cookie spoon, you know. I got 2 eggs here, vanilla. I got salt, baking powder, baking soda, and all-purpose flour in here. I will give you guys the full measurements down below. Yeah, that is it. I got marshmallows, mini marshmallows, chocolate calabash. Now I use these calabash. Now the reason why I use this is because I make cakes as well. Here and there, family, friends, and I always use the best of the best. This is the best. It's more expensive, high quality, but it's just I always have it now, right? But you can always use the mini chocolate chips, no problem. Chips Ahoy, or what's that brand that has them? Hershey's? I don't know. But anyways, that's, you can use that as well. And graham cracker to add on top, you know? So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So if you haven't already, click like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, let's preheat our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You're going to pour your melted butter into the bowl that has brown sugar and granulated sugar into it. You're going to stir this together vigorously for a couple of minutes. You're going to want it to be nice and thick by the end of it. Now add your egg and vanilla mixture and incorporate this as well. Stir vigorously. Now in 3 increments, you're going to add the flour mixture one at a time. Go slowly when mixing. You don't want the flour flying everywhere like you did here. Now you can really start to get into it. Use your hands, fold it over like a nice piece of dough. Fold in your mini marshmallows and your chocolate chips as well. I just forgot to record that part. Now the fun part, you're just going to start making your cookie balls. It should make you about 18. I just like to eyeball them myself, and once I'm done with them, I'll roll them in nice and tightly. And my camera did stop recording, but I will show you a little clip of where I put the graham crackers. Right there. After about 10 to 12 minutes, you've got your ooey gooey cookies. I hope you enjoyed them.